Hi, welcome to Cooking Spot. Today we are going to make chicken Manchurian. Let's see what goes into making chicken Manchurian. First, we need 200 grams of chicken, an egg, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Additionally, we will require corn flour, salt, capsicum, onion, ginger, garlic, paprika, sugar, tomato sauce and coconut oil. To begin, add salt and egg to the chicken and mix. Next, add corn flour and mix well. Now, cover the mixture and let it rest for 30 minutes. Then fry the chicken until cooked. Now let's make Manchurian sauce. Heat up some oil and add onions, ginger and garlic. Add capsicum or bell pepper and stir. Next, add paprika powder, sugar, tomato ketchup, soy sauce and vinegar and stir. You can add corn flour to thicken the sauce if you prefer. Finally, add the fried chicken and mix well. This chicken Manchurian has a delicious aroma and taste. You can follow this recipe to make chicken Manchurian and enjoy its flavor.